Truck's out of the way, logs in place, drivers are ready, let's count them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go. They'll make light contact in the middle, sometimes they call that a gentleman's handshake, and now it is on. Drivers will battle back and forth. That helps. 88 was hung. 02 got free, 88's free. They're circling around. Nice shot there, right on the drive axle. Back end going down. Oh, front bumper over the tire on the 0901. They're going to need some help to get free from there. Here comes the 02. Jermaine on the throttle, swinging a miss on the 02. Big shot. Bent the wheel. Oh, big miss there. Holly gets the wall. Oh, nice shot there. Galen Scherzer piled in the backside of the 88. Bumper's off the 82. And a bumper on the track. Red flag, red flag. Hold up, hold up, hold up, drivers. Red flag. Red flag. Hold up, Jermaine. Devin, hold up, hold up. Whoa, hold up. Devin, you got me? It's tie rod or something. It's bent. officials back in place. Hold up, drivers. Short countdown. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Darlene Sauls in the 7682. Trying to get it refired, takes a shot. Missed everybody. Look out. Right into the wall. Big shot. Frames dropped out of the middle of the O2. Bent like a banana right in the middle. Jennifer Boyd in the 88, big shot right there. 88 looking real good. Wow. O2 hung up on their own frame. Good shot, nose to nose over here. Still got 4 cars battling it out. More like 3.5. Caitlin Schertzer's hung up on everything on that car. The frames dropped out of it on both sides. Stalled trying to refire. Jennifer Boyd, Jesse McDonald. Good shot there on the drive axle. $76.82 with last contact right now. Holly doing everything they can to get that car to move. Trying to make it move with the broken tie rod. That's going to be it right there. Jermaine's out of time. Holly and Devin, your second place finishers, I believe. Third or second? We'll see.